We're talking about building websites from scratch, but also with the skills to say if somebody approaches you with, look, our website is just running so slow. The process of the customer experience is just so bad that we're losing customers. So also have the skills to go in and patch stuff up and correct mistakes that are originally done like the first time it was made.
100%. And the way to be able to do that is to understand how to build a website, number one. If you know how to build a website, if you understand the fundamentals, the layers, the building blocks that should go on one on top of the other, before you know that, you won't be in a position to optimize anything. And then touch on the point you made about usability. Once you're working in that type of an environment, even if your role isn't directly, let's say, commercially focused, isn't directly to do with conversions, but you're working in the tech team, you're taking instruction from the e-commerce team, whatever it might be, you will just start to absorb information and tactics and approaches that the CRO conversion people come up with, how they approach analyzing, is this performing well, is it not? And so really by working in a web environment, you're going to get the technical skills, but you're also going to get all of those extra facets, because in an e-commerce business in particular, the website basically touches every element of the business. It touches the fulfillment side, because when an order comes in, the order management system has to send a notification. It's either to a warehouse, it might be third party, it might be run by the business itself. The Google Analytics and all of these all of the basically analytical tools, they're all hooked into the website. They all have to have data sent to them. Then that data is analyzed, obviously. If you spend enough time in that environment, after 4 or 5 years, you're going to be in a position to add smaller businesses, potentially in a freelance capacity, like we were talking about last week.
Yeah.
To work on maybe more narrowly scoped challenges, more smaller issues, but ones that you can take on your own and add quite a lot of value from your experience in larger businesses.